We're here at the beautiful IÐNÓ in Reykjavik at Iceland Airwaves, presenting the finest artists from Luxembourg, called Alex Finest DM. We have Tuys, Francis of Delirium, and Klein performing in front of not only an Icelandic delegation, but an international delegation made up of a combination of booking agents, labels, but also quite heavy media as well.
Yeah, yesterday we played a show at a venue called Gamla Bio, and it was really good. I mean, I think I felt like the audience was really there to just enjoy music. I'm expecting a really lovely show again, so I'm really looking forward to it. And the room is so beautiful, and it's kind of nice that it's so big and reverby. Even though it's messy, I kind of like it. So.
For me, even to be in Iceland is kind of a highlight already, because so many bands came from here, so many bands started here. We played already one first show and we had a lot of nice echoes, a lot of people really giving a lot of warmth back, and that's already feeling a lot. Now what we expect is maybe to meet more professionals, to go further. Maybe work with new people that we couldn't work with if we wouldn't be here. So it's very international, and that's like the most.
All of the artists that are performing this evening are or have been part of the ISNS exchange program. So it's a program that allows more of a circulation of artists amongst various European festivals. So Iceland Airwaves itself is actually one of the ISNS exchange festivals. And back in January, the festival decided to have Klein be part of the event, and that developed into a larger Luxembourg showcase collaboration with the festival.
So playing Iceland Airwaves after 2 years of cancellation was very exciting. Actually, this is the first time we as a band are in Iceland, so it's very beautiful. We had a great time. It's a beautiful country, and it was good.
I guess the network also gave us some visibility to different promoters and bookers. So really happy that we were able to be part of that.